Hi there, nice to have you back for a new episode. Remember Billy's story? He told you that I would explain his mistakes in detail, and that's what we're going to do today. But first, let's listen to Billy's story again, and then we'll have a look at all the mistakes.
Okay, here we go. Once upon a time, there was an handsome hamster called Billy. Billy couldn't speak English very good and had no friends. This made him sad and he cried a lot. One day, he met Simon, a lovable sloth. Simon was part of the most cool English gang at the planet. He introduced Billy to the rest of the gang, and them have been having funny and learning English ever since.
So, here is the explanation to the mistakes that Billy made in his story last time. First sentence, once upon a time there was an handsome hamster called Billy. Yes, "un" is the wrong word because the next word begins or was pronounced with a consonant. We have to use "a" and not "un." If it were apple, it would be correct, an apple. But "a" handsome hamster is the correct word. Second one, Billy couldn't speak English very good and he had no friends. We have two mistakes right here. The past tense is in could already, so we have to use not spoke, but the present tense. Billy couldn't speak English very good and had no friends. And then we have another mistake right here. It's not good, but it's well. We haven't covered that rule yet. That's adjectives and adverbs. This has to be an adverb because we're talking or we're describing speak and not an adjective. But we'll look at that rule sometime in the future. Number 3, this made him sad and he cried a lot. Cried is already in the past tense. The whole sentence is in the past tense, which means we have to put make in the past tense as well. Made is the correct word here. Then we have our next sentence right here. One day he meted Simon, a lovable sloth. Meted is an irregular verb, which means ed is not enough. It has to be something else. And in this case, met is the past tense of meted. So we have to use one day he met Simon, a lovable sloth. Next sentence, Simon was part of the most cool English gang at the planet. Not quite. We haven't covered this one yet either. This is the superlative. It's not most cool, but it's the coolest gang. And not at the planet, preposition of place. It's on the planet. And now we have last sentence. He introduced Billy to the rest of the gang, and them have been having funny and learning English ever since. 3 mistakes right here. Not he introduced, because we're talking about the past tense. We have to say he introduced Billy to the rest of the gang, and not them, wrong pronoun. And they have been having funny and learning English ever since. It's not funny. You can be funny, but you have fun. So this is the way it's supposed to be. He introduced Billy to the rest of the gang, and they have been having fun and learning English ever since. So that's it for today. I hope you had fun. I hope you learned something. If you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section and we will get right back to you. If you like our videos, give us a like. If you love our videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hitting the bell notification so that you will not miss or not ever miss another episode. Until next time, have a wonderful morning, afternoon, evening, night. Take care and see you.